Hi guys, Miracle here. So today I'm going to try making PILAU rice. I ate it the other day and I called it jollof rice, but they say it's PILAU rice. So I'll try and make the PILAU rice. After eating the rice, I loved it, so I went on YouTube, search for the recipe, and here is what I found. So this is pilau masala powder. This is another kind of powder that I found that we use in Nigeria. This is fresh tomato. This is pepper. They don't put pepper in their own, but I cannot eat food without pepper. And this is garlic. So this is chicken. I pieces it and made it small so that I can be able to put it in the pot. And this is rice. I soak this rice. I'm not used to doing this, but I want to do it just the way they did it. They use soaked rice. Okay, and this is tomato paste. So guys, let's go. And I have put oil in the fire. Guys, please forgive how this thing is looking. I'm trying to make this video. I have put oil in the fire, and the next thing I'm going to do right now is to start making this putting my items. If the oil heat up, lots of onions. I saw them using a lot of onions, so this is the onions we'll be using for this recipe, and I hope it come out well. And I don't know why this thing is called pilau rice, but honestly this is just a jollof rice, like the way they do jollof rice. That is how they do it. The only thing is that they over fry their onions to make it brown, and the pilau masala that they put inside. But guys, let's go. Let's just get this started. I hope this thing come out well. I have not eaten anything apart from that rice I ate, so I need solid food. Like I've been eating cake and bread and avocado. Those are the things I've been eating since, and I'm getting weak. Like my body is telling on me that I need food. So my body is telling on me that I need solid food, I need good food. So I'm trying to cook this food. I hope it come out well. Guys, let's go. So guys, I'm heating my oil now. When the oil is heat, I think this oil is too much. This is getting hot. So guys, this is everything: the tomato paste, the fresh tomato, onions and pepper all together. So according to people I watch their videos, you let this thing cook until it turn a bit brownish. But I don't know if I will leave my own to turn brownish, but I saw another woman who did not leave her own to turn brownish. Like I think everybody has the way they do their own rice. So I'll let it done, like well done. Instead of turning brownish, I'll let it be well done. Normally I don't let my vegetables get overly done, but I'll let it be overly done, but I'll not let it burn, because if I let it get brown, I don't think that the ingredients will be like the thing, the nutrient in the vegetable will still be there if it gets burnt. So we'll let the veggies get well done, then we'll add other things. Okay guys, this is how far we have come, and so at this point I'll start adding my meat. So you add your meat and let it heat with the tomatoes and every other thing. Let's go. So guys, look at how far we have come. To be honest, I don't know which one comes first. I don't know if they put the ingredient first before putting the meat. But guys, I'll put the I'll put this PILAU masara ingredients and these other spices that we use in Nigeria. So guys, there's something I noticed: the color of the food changed immediately I put this PILAU masara powder. So I think that PILAU masara powder is making it green, brownish in color. The reason I put this PILAU masara powder, I started getting that taste of the rice I ate the other day. I think this PILAU masara is what gave it that. So before I leave Kenya, I'll get a lot of this PILAU masala powder because I love it. I'll use it for the air fry sometimes. So hi guys, look at how far I've gone. So I have added everything and then I'll let it to steam. Guys, Kenyan rice is so very different from our own rice. It feels so different. So I'm sure by the time this rice is done, is soft, this will be very soft. But guys, I'm happy the taste come out so well. Like the taste, it tasted like that one I ate the other day. Yes, exactly, even slightly better because of the the Nigerian ingredient I put. Like it tastes like I said in that video, that one don't have maggi, but this spicy that I put has a little bit of maggi inside. Is a Royco powder. That is what I put, so it made it have more taste. Like to me, I don't know to Kenyans, because I see like Kenyans don't eat maggi. So guys, let's see how this thing goes. But this pot is very bad pot though. I don't trust this pot to burn my rice. But guys, let's see. I wish I did the rice in my other apartment and it could have been better, because that one has non-stick pan. I don't know how this thing dey be ja. We'll see. Hi guys, so I'm done cooking and this is how it comes out. Guys, I don't know, but the color, I love the color of this one. I don't like how like that dark brown one, but like guys, you guys should pardon me if this is not how the color look, but guys, this thing tastes so good. So guys, the PILAU powder, the taste is so very good. Like, one thing I have to say is that PILAU powder is a game changer in this recipe. Like once you add PILAU powder, it will give your food another taste. Even if you're doing normal jollof rice, if you add PILAU powder, your food will taste differently. Guys, this is so good. Let me enjoy it because I have not eaten for so long. Let me sit down and eat it. See you guys in my next video. Please tell me how you see this and see you guys in my next video.